Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best carbon fiber fork in this video? I will show you the top 5 best carbon fiber fork to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Oden Zeus Bike Fork. Specifications: Brand, Oden Zeus. Model, Oz Fork 2102. Use, BMX disc brake. Diameter, 28.6 mm. Material, 100% carbon. Appearance, 3K gloss. Weight, 385 grams. Size, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 inches. Number 4 is Carbon Fiber Mountain Bike Fork. Specifications: Brand name, EC90. Type, resistance rubber. Use, mountain bikes. Fit for, disc brake. Suspension, no. Wheel size, 24 to 28 inch. Material, carbon fiber. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we selected, Toseek TFK-SL Carbon Fork. Specifications: Brand name, Toseek. Model number, TFK-SL. Stem size, 28.6 mm. Type, hard fork. Blade length, 420 to 470 mm. Use, mountain bikes. Fit for, disc brake. Suspension, no. Wheel size, 29 inches. Material, carbon. Number 2 is Toseek Bike MTB Fork. Specifications: Brand name, Toseek. Model number, TFK-03. Stem size, 28.6 mm. Type, rigid fork. Blade length, 9 mm. Use, mountain bikes. Fit for, disc brake. Suspension, no. Wheel size, 29 inches. Material, carbon. Weight, 540 grams. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Carbon Fiber Bicycle Front Fork. Specifications: Type, full carbon MTB fork. Blade length, 26er, 27.05er, 29er. Use, mountain bikes. Fit for, disc brake. Suspension, no. Material, carbon. Origin, mainland China. Finish, gloss, matte.